What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back with another vlog type of video for you guys. Sadly I didn't ride. I am currently at the IMS. It's like the International Motorcycle Show or something like that. They have it all around the US, and currently they're in Southern California, so of course I'm gonna go there. Last year they didn't have it because of COVID and all that stuff. I lost my train of thought now. I was saying that I was gonna ride my bike, but last year was COVID, so they didn't have it. But 2 years ago in 2019, I still went to the IMS show, and some incident happened in the parking lot, and somebody knocked over a bike, which kind of dominoed and knocked over a bunch of other bikes. So I just didn't want to risk that very much, and I came in the Tesla. So it doesn't matter that much. We're still gonna vlog it, film the experience and all of that, so that'll be fun. And yeah, I'll take you guys along the whole thing, and hopefully show you some cool bikes and how the event is. See you guys in a little bit. Is literally a sea of bikes. We'll see if we can catch any cool bikes over here. same thing.
You look so funny.
Do I look big now?
Yeah.
So that's the coverage that provides.
Crazy. I feel like
So level 2 armor, that's basically the highest armor that you can get that's available for like pads. This is 10 times better than level 2 armor. So essentially it's the safest thing that you can put on your body.
yeah, man. This one's right. That's my
Dude,
style.
that's what I figured, yeah.
I was gonna say, man, you look good. Just right out with the shirt.
Yeah, I know.
Perfect, right? Perfect. Alright guys, we just finished walking through the IMS. Honestly, I think not last year, 2019 was a little more fun. Still a fun experience, nice seeing all the people and all the bikes and stuff like that. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out, ride safe.